What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So great to see every one of you guys tuned in. Hopefully no one's sick. Hopefully everyone's doing well and everyone is healthy with your families at home enjoying your time. Now, I do have this new video out right now. It is the top 5 cars that will last over 500,000 miles or more. I know there's plenty more out there, but these are my top 5 picks that I've personally seen myself, and I'm just going to go down the list, and then I'm going to tell you everything else about them. So let's jump right into the video. What's going on, guys? So glad that you guys can make it for this video. Let us just start going down the list, and then we'll talk about them right after. Coming in at number 1, Toyota Camry, 640,000 miles. Seen that happen. Number 2, Toyota Corolla, 1 million miles. Number 3, Toyota Tacoma, 1 million miles. Number 4, Honda Civic, 737,000 miles. And a Ford Crown Vic, 600K. Now, all of these vehicles last. They last over 100K miles. The Toyota Camry, I have seen them last over 640,000 miles. Why? Because I actually serviced a fleet of Camrys for a auto parts store that used to use them as delivery vehicles. And those babies last, and they can run. They last for a very long time. They're very reliable, don't break down often. You just have to take care of them with a little bit of maintenance, love, and care. The Toyota Corolla, same thing as the Camry. Love, care, and maintenance. Do the oil change on time. Do whatever it calls for. Don't let one part go bad so quick, because then it'll be a chain reaction linking to other parts. But these vehicles also last a million miles. Toyota Tacoma, I've seen them last a million miles as well. They're pretty much the number 1 truck over the Tundra. People prefer the Tacomas over the Tundra because they're very good mid-sized truck. I know a lot of people might have their opinions and disagree with me, but that's fine. Let me hear what you got to say in the comment section below. But Toyota Tacomas, they're cool. They're the way to go. And they hold their value, even used. Honda Civic, 737,000 miles. These vehicles are crazy. Honda makes their own motors. They know what they're doing. The only thing is, fix the timing belt when it needs to be fixed. Because if it snaps, interference motor, damage the engine, gotta get a new engine. But if you change your timing belt on time, you'll be okay. Change your oil on time, you'll be okay. A lot of the newer Honda Civic engines, they have what you like to call them timing chains. A lot of the newer Honda Civic engines have timing chains. Change your oil on time, chain won't stretch. Over time, I'm sure you'll eventually need to change them. Everything wears. It's all parts. Things wear. And finally, the Ford Crown Vic. You all know how I feel about Fords. I don't really like him. But I have to give credit where credit is due. Ford Crown Vic is one of them. I have seen them personally up to 600,000 miles, especially if you get the Police Interceptor version. They are built so beefy with beefier suspension, beefier rear diff. They're made to intercept criminals. They're made to go on high-speed chases. They are strong. They have excellent towing capabilities. I've seen some guys use them to tow their boats. The trunk space is huge. They last. Just take care of him. Do the oil change. Do the maintenance. Now, like other vehicles out there, anything can last. It depends on how you maintain them. If you don't maintain it well, it's not going to last. It's like your body. You eat a bunch of junk food, you're just going to get fat. And a whole bunch of complications, heart disease, diabetes, all kinds of stuff. But if you take care of your body occasionally, just go to the gym, work out, exercise, be healthy, get enough rest, do what you got to do for your body, you're going to last a long time, just like these vehicles would. So I always like comparing humans to cars because technically it's the same, but it's not the same, but it's the same. If you all catch my drift. I know I'm going to get a lot of stuff in the comment section for this, but it doesn't matter. I want to hear what you guys think. I want to hear what you guys think will last over 500K. I want to know if you guys have any vehicles that last over 500K. Leave it in the comment section below. Let us start a discussion. Also, hit that like button on this channel for the YouTube algorithm because YouTube's not in my favor so far, so we're trying to get it there. I do appreciate every single one of y'all. I did put a poll out there to see how long y'all wanted a video for. You guys responded with the most response of 20 minutes or more. So, I'm gonna do quick videos like this, but I'm gonna do awesome project videos that will last more than 20 minutes. I have this awesome video coming up with another big YouTuber. It's gonna be a collaboration with us. Um, that's where it looks like it's going. We're gonna do a collaboration of doing a big brake install on his Camaro, as well as coilovers on his Camaro. So guys, stay tuned for that video coming out soon. Filming has not started yet, so as soon as filming starts, I'll update y'all on the community tab. Y'all can keep posts on that, and I'll put some stuff on Instagram. Y'all can follow me at Corolla Customs. And yeah, guys. So with that being said, peace out. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Wash your hands, live life, do what you gotta do, and just love everything on my channel and watch all my videos from start to ending. Peace.